Good morning, everybody. So today is 22nd of May 2019, and we're going to look at the over there. So we'll start off with our main pairs. We first of all want to see what we had yesterday, how it, and if there are any changes that we need to make. So I'm currently at EURUSD. This is the main chart we started yesterday. We had our level at this point. This is the zone where I'm currently having my mouse pointer at. This one. We had a level here. And then we said that as long as the price continues to use this as a resistance, we're actually looking for a sell. Say that as long as the price keeps coming back to it, we're actually looking for a sell. So far, the trend is downwards on this one. If you look at it from the weekly, we are still downwards. Weekly, we are downwards. Daily, we are downwards. Then 4 hours, we are still downwards. 1 hour, we are downwards. And then on 30 minutes or so, we are also downwards. So as long as the price remains below this level, as long as we are below this level, we are actually looking for a sell. As long as the price remains perfectly below the zone I've colored, we're looking for a sell. So the main thing here is to wait for price to retrace back up to this level, then pick a sell from that point, expect the sell to push price even. So yesterday we actually took a sell from this one, but we were stopped by this big candle which pushed price up to this resistance. So we are still selling it, just that the price has to come back to somewhere within this zone. We pick a sell with the first take profit, and then the next take profit should be here. So ideally you can still sell it even as we speak, but you should have your take profit here, 1.1128. So we move forward. That USD is here. USD went perfectly as we said yesterday. We wanted a retracement back to the same place, but somehow it broke up, came back, and now we are below. So this is a false break to the upper side. It's a very good sign that we are still continuing down. So as long as the price remains below this level, below this one, 1.2722, 1.2715, expect price to proceed even lower. So as it is at the moment, GBPUSD is a sell, and the correct place to sell it is if price can retrace back up to this level. So if price can come back something like this, assuming price can get back to this level, retrace back that level, we'll be able to pick a sell at low risk, pick a sell from that point, expecting that sell to push price even further to the lower side. But to our next chart, and that should be USDJPY. USDJPY is a buy as it is at the moment. So far everything you said has come to pass already. The price keeps making higher highs. Like as you can see, this is the lowest place we saw some few days ago. This is the lowest place that was there. It went up, it came down, then that was a higher low. This one, then it continued up, came back, another higher low. This is another higher low. Went up, it came back, there's another higher low. So basically, as long as the price remains above this trend line, we expect price to continue even higher. So as it is at the moment, wait for price to pull back down up to this level, pick a buy from this point, expect that buy to push price even higher to 111.2. So on USDJPY, we are actually into a buy, and the best place to buy from is the place we have just marked at one price to retrace back up to that level, pick a buy with a take profit at the next level which I've indicated. So this is the buy place, and the best place to take profit is here. The next chart, that is should be SP500. This is SP500. We have a very good support here. It's a very good support. Resistance. The price went up, traced back for the first time. Yeah, and continued up. It came back a second time. Yeah. If price can come back to this place for the third time, then that will be the correct place to buy from. So you may want to place a pending buy limit within this zone. Have your pending buy limit here within that zone. Have your stop loss some pips below. So have your pending buy limit, have your stop loss. Take profit should be at 29.51. I hope that makes sense. We move to our next chart. That should be gold. Here. So far from what we said yesterday, we actually had a level here. We drew this as a support here, then a support, a support, a support. We said that the price had to break below, then come back to the same place before you can pick a sell. So it did perfectly as you said. It came back to the same place, could not break above. Said it bounced off to the lower side. So if you didn't sell it at this time, assuming you didn't sell it at that point, you can wait for price to retrace back the same place for the second time for you to pick a sell at the lowest risk possible. So as it is at the moment, we took a sell yesterday and they're still waiting for a sell even today. So if price can come back up to this level, this will be the best place to look for a sell from. That makes sense. We move forward, and that should be Brent oil. Brent oil so far has been a buy from what we looked at yesterday. We have our indicator showing us a buy. Then on the 1 hour, the price is sitting at a very good support. We have a support. This is a resistance. There was a break above. It came back and currently we're within that zone. So this is the correct place to buy from, just as there's no clear sign for buying. 1 now. Have this level here. Have this as a resistance. Price went above, came back. It's currently using this level as a support. So as long as the price remains above this level, we are actually looking for a buy, but the trend is still downward. So somehow the price may head downwards, maybe up to this level, may continue down up to somewhere around this level. You can see a move to the upper side. It's likely price may reverse from this point down and then reverse from the lower 70.12. So either way, the trend is downwards. So expect maybe a drop below 70.90. That drop should push price even lower to 70.2. So thank you very much. Unless somebody has a question, that should bring us to the end of today's. If you have a question, just post them here, respond immediately. So thank you very much. See you again tomorrow at the same time.